by the title, I am making my fried jalapeno French fries. Call it what you want to, but it's fried and it's jalapeno. Okay, as you can see, I have fresh jalapenos. And look, these things are huge, baby. Yes. Pancake mix, Hungry Jack, baby, complete. Just add water. Some Slap Your Mama seasoning. I have garlic powder. I have onion powder. I have some water so down. You cut this off. Cut that off, remove it. So you're going to cut this in fours. And I cut it in fours no matter how big the peppers are or how small. But when I'm doing this recipe, I always get the big peppers, the biggest peppers. Oh, no. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me add this in here. Okay, now, we have that cut, and you just leave it like that for now. And you make the pancake batter. Like a cup and a half of pancake mix. I'm going to eyeball that. So, and you just mix your pancake mix up like normal. Any Cajun salt. Half a teaspoon. So that was garlic powder, onion powder, Slap Your Mama, Cajun seasoned salt. So now, just add the peppers and coat them. Coat them with the pancake mix. The pancake mix, pancake. Pancake mix, pancake. Now this is the key. So what you're going to do, you're going to add some of this in here. I would say probably like about 1/3 cup. Because what you want, remember this is coated. That's coated with the liquid pancakes. Now I want this coating to be thick on it. Get that dry pancake mix on top of the dough. It ended up becoming a thick batter. Okay, you guys, I am back and the oil has heated up. This is how, yeah, I got my little deep fry out, y'all. This is how it should look. Kind of like a sticky paste-like type. Hopefully. This good southern country cooking, baby. So, what you're going to do is just pull it out. It's no perfect, ooh, it's no perfect way. There's nothing perfect about it. Just put it in there. The grease is nice and hot. And let it fry about 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Woo! So make sure that oil is drained off. And we're just going to dump that on the plate like that. Oh, yeah! Look at that! Add that Slap Your Mama seasoning on. And there you go, you guys. Let's try one. Your fried jalapeno fry. You can dip this in whatever your favorite dipping is. I like ranch, barbecue, ketchup, and my 1K spicy sauce. I hope you all enjoyed this. Have some.